Hey, what's up everybody? We brought our chipper over from our catamaran lot and we're gonna work on one of the piles of palm fronds. Wearing long pants and tabis because it's early in the morning. Well, not early, so early that it's gonna wake the neighbors unless they sleep late, but there are a number of mosquitoes out there. So what we're doing is, you notice there's no bag, so it's kind of dangerous if you're on the other side of that thing. I mean, it actually, you know, it's like a air gun. So don't stay on the other side. But what we're doing is we're chipping it up, but we're also using it as mulch to cover the ground. So we're gonna do it, um, mulch it up, point it at this one area, then turn it and point it at another one, basically to cover all the gravel. And that's what we did at our catamaran lot. You know, kind of instant compost. Now, the crazy thing about this was there is a lot of stuff, and we can't. We found that we can't put the base of the palm frond in because it's too big, and plus it jammed up the chipper. So this is one of many huge piles around the property, and you know, we did this for a few hours, and won't this video won't be that long, but we did it for a few hours, and then when we look back at the pile, it kind of looks the same. So this is gonna take a while to do, but this is like our one of our favorite tools, especially out where when in the areas we live, it helps us transform a lot of the debris because into compost, and helps us make the ground much much more friendly in terms of gardening, and just even walking on it, because it's kind of like you're building dirt basically. We're speeding up Mother Nature. And one thing we're going to need to do is bring in like a machete here so we can split those the base of the palm fronds. Now I'll show you what it's like from the top. Try not to drop my GoPro in there. Just grab the palm frond, drop it in, and it chews it up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.